dad tends to like lots of things, though. Whenever he watches something, he watches it as an audience, and he watches it wanting to enjoy it. Mom is the harder person to please, actually.
If you were to score your performance in Maharaj out of 10, where would you put yourself?
Good God.
Tough spot.
Maybe a 6.
Hi everyone, thanks for staying tuned to Spill the Beans on CNN News 18. I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria. In this episode, we have got a very special guest. He's relatively newer to the industry but has already successfully made a lot of buzz in the headlines. He's, of course, already over there in the top trending list of Netflix. Hi Junaid, how are you?
Very good. Thank you for having me.
First question, straight up. What are your thoughts on overwhelming response and appreciation of the character that you have played? Movies, like I just said, that movie is still in the top trending list, and it has been in the trending list since the very beginning, since the time of its release.
Thank you so much. No, it's been very, very heartwarming. Got lots of texts, lots of calls from lots of people. It's quite overwhelming, actually. Thank you.
All right. And tell us more about initial reaction when, the release was being restricted because it finally made it through, but finally the verdict was in your support. But initially there were a couple of jerks with the release.
No, we were all a bit on edge at the time. But we had a bunch of press screenings and some industry screenings. Siddharth sir called a few close friends of his. And whoever had seen the film was very positive about the film. So I think that gave us a lot of hope. And I think at the end of the day, I'm thankful to the judiciary for seeing the film for what it was meant to be. And allowing us to release the film.
Right. And what would be your word of advice for those who are, a bit reluctant to give movie a fair chance still?
I don't know. I enjoyed the film. The film is very sensitively made by Siddharth and Yash Raj. It is a sensitive topic, but I think it's been handled very sensitively by the writers, Vipul Bhai, Sneha. It's been made very carefully by Siddharth sir. So, and I like the film, so please watch it.
Okay. And whenever we work, Junaid, there's the biggest critique always at our home. So how was the responses from home?
No, my parents really liked the film, actually.
Okay.
It started a few months ago. Dad really liked it. Dad tends to like lots of things, though. Whenever he watches something, he watches it as an audience. And he watches it wanting to enjoy it. Mom is the harder person to please, actually, but she also really liked the film. So yeah, I think
Okay.
it went well.
Lovely. And since you are the son of one of the biggest khans of the industry, does that sort of put you at a spot or some sort of pressure on you with regards to the performance, or has that always been a smooth sailing boat?
I don't know about that. I guess we'll find out now with this film. This is the first time. This would be my first film, so I guess now we will find out.
Okay. Who was the first person you saw the movie with?
First person I saw the movie with. No, I'd seen it with my family. They really liked it, so that was.
All right. And if we were to talk about the kind of roles that you really want to experiment with, apart from Maharaj, what are you exactly eyeing on? Is there any specific genre or any specific type of character that you would like to play?
No, I think like good stories made by people whose work I like, who I like working with. I don't think there's any particular genre.
Okay. Are you working on something after Maharaj?
I have a couple of films. There's a film that Amar Khan Productions has produced. Another film that Phantom has produced. So these are going on. The producers haven't announced the films yet, so I'm reluctant to say more. But yeah, there are a couple of films. I'm on stage September 1st at the NCPA Experimental Theatre, play called Strictly
Lovely.
Unconventional. So yeah, I've been keeping myself busy.
Okay, lovely. I know that you are a bit reluctant about because the announcement has not been made yet, but that much scoop was enough for us. All right. Tell us from the sets of Maharaj, what were the pivotal learnings that you sort of bagged for yourself? Because I would really want to know how was the experience of sharing the screen with such a celebrated actor, Jaideep Ahlawat.
Jaideep Sir's fantastic. I think he's probably one of the best actors in the industry today.
Hmm.
His understanding of character is great. His sense of graphing of scene is fantastic. There's so much to learn from him. Along with like bunch of other actors, Maharaj actually has a fantastic group of actors. There's Utkarshji, who's been working since like before my father was working. He's done fantastic work. I've seen him on stage as well.
Hmm.
Both Shalini and Sharvari are fabulous. Whole bunch of other, even for smaller parts, are like fantastic actors like Dharam, uh, Viraf, lots of like Nettie. There are like a whole bunch of. I think the casting was fantastic. Lots of fantastic actors.
Definitely. And something that I believe all of the viewers would be really curious about, Junaid, do you think that star kids nowadays are scrutinized a lot with the career options that they have been choosing for themselves because they come from a certain background? Do you think that viewers are a bit harsh on them?
I mean, it's a tough business, but like
Hmm.
I think all there's no easy work in life.
Definitely.
So yeah, so I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't know. I don't think I'm
Okay.
the correct person to know to answer that question.
Okay, and if you were to score your performance in Maharaj out of 10, where would you put yourself?
Good God, you know,
Tough spot.
maybe a six.
Oh God, you're being modest. I think you have not read the appreciative words that you have received so far, or
No,
what?
no,
You're
I've
being
got lots of
everywhere.
lots of people have said lots of very nice things. No, but there's a lot to learn, generally. It is my first film. There's a lot to learn, a lot to improve on.
And
Keep
last
growing.
but not the least, in the list, would really want to know something about yourself, a bit of a TMI, something that your fans doesn't know about you, a hidden talent.
Good God, I'm actually a fairly boring person.
Why would you
I don't
call
know what
yourself
I don't know what sort of TMI you're looking for.
that? Any
uh,
hidden talent? I would really love to know about that.
Hidden talent. Oh, I don't know about hidden talent. Uh, I play a fair bit of chess. I don't know if that
Ooh,
counts.
that definitely
Right.
counts.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you so much, Janet, for that
Thank
lovely
you.
and heartwarming chat. All the very best for Maharaj and the upcoming projects that you are at the moment working on. Hope to
Thank
see
you
you
very much.
again and connect with you very soon for those projects as well.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
All right.